the intention for that is not for you to know if you're the top finisher. No, yeah.
I mean, I know Jason's secrets right now, but I'm not going to tell you.
No, don't tell them. So I'm going to tell you now why it's called duo.
Okay, everyone, so I'm with my friends here, back from their adventure, Bagani Adventure Rally.
Yeah.
So we're talking to Mr. Jason and Mr. Raphael, just talking about the breakdown of the show, the what happened, anything exciting, anything learning opportunities, and maybe a little bit from what is the next stages, next steps. November, November
15, 16.
Okay, so unfortunately I wasn't able to go. I was super busy. Pero before mo storya tagubahin sa actual show, can you talk about mga stresses of organizing everything to the lead up? I'm sure it was medyo maybe stressful. Because I want everyone to understand nga dili na basta-basta mo kuan og organizing show. When did we do our first podcast? When's it a month?
July?
July,
I guess, July.
Yeah. So let's talk about katong pag-lead up. How many were there any worries if mo if not mo register? I'll give you the floor.
Yeah, well, at first when we start our first podcast, so I was in doubt thinking if nabay kaya magsalig is there someone going to trust us na first time na to especially si Digos. There's a lot of trust issues na before sa mga event organizer dira.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, a lot of reports kay tungod na scam na there are times na nagbayad sila in full pero wala event na hitabo.
Oh no.
Right? Yeah. So that's one of the challenge, isa sa very challenging part ni Bagani during sa marketing period, on how we can gain their trust again since the event will be in Digos. So that's one.
Obviously you gain their trust. How many, before we get deep dive into it, how many people registrants did you have, registered people, participants?
The total in list, that's 1,015.
Wow.
For the very first time.
Kasali na yung dun sa guest rider.
Yeah, includes guest rider participants,
Does that include from what parts of Mindanao to what parts? I mean, everywhere, even Manila, on someone.
It's like most of the participants from Mindanao, but there we have guests from Visayas.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. SMB is from Cebu.
Nice.
Just after the event, I've been getting a lot of inquiries coming from Ilocos, from Luzon, from Visayas, who's very interested to be part of Bagani on the next season.
Napa siya sa Malaysia.
Thailand.
Oh, he's from Thailand?
Yeah, he's from Thailand. He's Pinoy. He's from Thailand.
Wow.
He just go to Davao para lang magsali sa Bagani.
Amazing. That sounds super good. I think it sounds as if it was a big blessing.
Exactly, bro.
Big blessing. But moreover, I wanted to really stress out that this was basically riding for a cause, right?
Yeah.
Let's go over if you don't know about Bagani, why Jason and the team basically set it up and how it's helping people outside of just the loops and all those things. And the motorcycle riding, obviously.
Well, the Bagani was created, from the word Bagani itself. Again, it's from it's like a tribal warrior, sa mga tribo na to diri. We live in Mindanao, so most of us started from a tribe. So before the event started, we already finished duha ka charity from tribal village from Kapatagan. We helped around 100. I think they're Manobo yata, Bagobo Manobo.
Manobo.
Yeah. Then after that, we helped one of the schools sa Sultan Kudarat.
Okay.
And most of that funds is from Bagani.
Amazing.
So the show wala pa nag-start, daghan na may gitabangan. And I just posted like 2 days ago na we're planning to held a grand charity event, but we're still looking for a perfect spot. So basi makatabang mo na may ma-suggest na area, we're open as long as isa na siya katribo. No, we're willing.
Amazing. I really like that. That we're just not doing it for monetary purposes.
No.
It's good for. Actually, there's more like ripple effects.
Yes.
Pag, is actually making happen.
Uh-huh.
Now, what do you think is before nahitabo ang actual jump off and everyone
Uh-huh.
on the grid? What were the hardest things about setting everything up?
It's very hard, especially si Bagani. I think we're the only motorcycle event na wala mi dealership.
Oh, as in like
Sa
support?
motorcycle. Yeah.
Support like the Kawasaki Yamaha.
No, no. So it's one of the
Is that
challenging
the next
part.
Will take sa.
Yeah, wala. As in wala dyan. I mean, wala dyan monetary sponsor na motorcycle dealer.
This is
Wala.
really funded from.
Yeah, so
wow.
whatever you see on the grid, the money is from the participants.
Really?
Yeah. We
Where
didn't keep
did
it.
you get those big katong?
Well,
Motol?
yeah, we has Motol is one of our major sponsor, but
Amazing.
They
Provide
let us provide. They give us all of their collaterals, the arcs, the tents,
wow.
pati si Wiltec naghatag po sila, no,
RDN.
which is makadungag sa among kuan yun, sa among kumbaga image sa grid, no.
Yeah, it looks great. It looks super professional. I have to give it to you.
Exactly, it's
Oh.
like what they call is a mini boss Iron Man.
No, I
Right?
have to say, I was like, I'll be honest with you. I was super surprised of like, oh shit, this thing looks really like, legit, like official, like when you even like the Iron Man, or even when you see the MotoGP event,
Yeah.
it's like, oh shit. I mean, that was really surprising.
Even us, bro, we're surprised.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like that.
And
God
that's
is good.
and that's because of Motol. No, so I would
yeah.
like to thank Motol, of course. No,
Shout out
grabe ka
Motol.
supportive.
So
No.
let me segue then into let's give the floor to all the people that supported you for everything to happen.
Yeah, well, first of all, si Motol, Southern Mindanao, one of the sponsor nga nagsalig sa mo bisag first time pa namo.
Major
Yeah,
sponsor.
si Motol, Southern and Northern, no, sila po'y naghatag og kabibo sa Dipolog ug sa Dragon's Tail na checkpoint.
Nice.
So it's the very first time nga sa checkpoint na mga arcs na mura kang
Wow.
nag-adtog another grid.
It looks as if it was like a long time organized show all the time.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm really.
So, si RDM, isa po sa naghatag ng mga raffles para sa mga auxiliary lights gana na one of the leading company right now in terms sa mga auxiliary kay gwapo po nila ang mga product.
Raven Clothing.
Raven Clothing, si Memo Press, coffee shop na po may mga kuha na coffee shop, si BNN Driving School sa Digos.
Oh, kasi Jasper's, right?
Yeah, nakatabang po
Sa
yun sila sa
travel,
mga.
travel.
So, no,
Itong
so,
ticket.
yeah, si Alpha Cargo naghatag og libre nga ticket.
Amazing. I saw that. Something,
Right?
Yeah.
So it's the rider's choice. Asa ka mo adto as long as it's
That is amazing.
within Mindanao. And
Yeah.
si Lax Siargao, shout out. So naghatag siya trip to Siargao, good for two.
Amazing.
Accommodation lahat.
Nice.
Hotel,
Unsa
island
na siya?
hopping.
Unsa na siya? Resort? Unsa man siya?
No, it's in Siargao. They're like travel tours.
Oh, so
Yeah.
sige. Okay.
So naghatag sila 2 slot which is nadaugan na pod, gi-claim na atong kuan.
amazing.
And si Ma'am Main Terihon nag-sponsor tulo ka helmet, si Sparks mga participant ni sila pero mo lagi their passion is on this type of events so nihatag silang mga paraffol na mga helmets sa mga
Amazing.
participants. So I cannot recall si kinsa pa to pero kabalo na mo kinsa mo.
Tourism.
So tourism, yeah. City tourism, of
Mayor.
course. Si Mayor Cagas. Thank you kayo sa yung pagsalig ni Bagani.
That's amazing. It seems as if very blessed, a lot of blessings, a lot of grace
Exactly,
happen
bro.
when that go on. Because I mean, honestly, I think when you move with a good cause, good things happen to you as well.
Exactly, bro. Yeah.
Now, Jason was the head organizer pretty much. He was like the spearheading it. How was it feeling in Raphael? Come into head marshal.
Marshals,
How stressful was it? How? Because you have to understand that he had to do the logistics.
Exactly, yeah.
What's about the stress or what is your?
Even before the event started, no, na stress na medyo may bro. Kaya wala dyan may nagdahom na ganyan lagi mangyari
Yeah,
sa
kadaghan.
event. Oh.
Yes.
But this seems like
So,
it's very overwhelming. But
kasi-
1,000.
Well,
Yung target lang talaga namin, malipay namin, 500 lang.
Yeah.
Yun talaga yung nasa mindset namin. Hindi naman Yung naglagpas na ng 600,
Oh, nag 700,
So,
800.
doon na kami parang stress na kay gahabol na og ka ng
May mga kits.
kids.
Right? So we need to add
Ginaapas na.
on other things pa kay para lang ma-comply yun namang mga expectation nila. Kuan.
100%.
Though, na ubang part nga we open a late registration no sa mga but they're already aware na we're going to follow the jersey.
Okay.
But on the event, you'll get your vest, your certificate, everything. You're going to receive it. No.
At yun bro, isa rin yun bro na stress din yung kasi may mga pahabol na kids. Yung iba nagbag sa
System.
System.
No, we're using a website.
sa website nagbag siya.
May mga system.
Tungkol sa mga registration.
Yes.
Pero
tungkol sa-
nabigyan nagawa naman ng paraan kay nabigyan ng meron mga ano doon.
I mean, this is the first time I've ever heard na you actually tied up technology with the events.
Exactly.
Tell everyone how the scanning system works in your.
Well, the scanning, it works on start and finish.
Okay.
So I think most of the riders are familiar already with the. There's a section there on the website that shows path of the tribe.
Okay.
So you'll see your total time, average time during the route. It's not the intention for that is not for you to know if you're the top finisher.
Yeah.
No, it's not. It's not like that. The idea of that is for you personally. You know how the
Your personal time.
personal time,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And the scanning was being used as well. Sa if your bike is ready,
Gotcha.
it will show up on our end. Nga,
Nasa website lang.
yeah. So everything is on the website.
Shout out to Lawrence.
Lawrence is one of the
Really,
team.
web dev
Kyle.
guy?
Yeah, the web dev
Lawrence.
guy.
Wow.
Yeah, so I think
The head IT.
I think we're the only one on this type of event that we have an official website sa registration.
I mean, this is the first time I heard of it. It's really amazing that everything came together.
Yeah, yes,
Everything
bro.
came together. Another thing I want to say is Jason and the rest of the Bagani Adventure Rally team, they must have did amazing because there were no injuries. Because we were talking before the situation, before we got jump on the podcast, that some of the rallies, some of the loops I've been into, unfortunately, there's always some bad accidents.
yeah.
Now, and I'm sure people are weary, or I know they know something might happen. You know, everyone prays that everything is great. How did you guys keep safety in mind?
Well, of course, one of the risk parts, especially during jump off, is when you let all the riders jump off at one time.
Got it, yeah.
So it's mas taas yung percentage ng collision.
Yeah.
Right?
Rushing. Everyone's
So what
rushing.
we did is we scan riders by 3.
Gotcha.
So we started the jump off from 2 a.m. and it ended like almost
2:30?
Almost 3
3:30.
3 a.m. na.
Also, everyone's going in like
Yeah.
by three.
By three.
Yeah, by
Yeah.
threes. And then you go. So that's for the safety of everyone.
It lessens the accident.
Yeah, but you see the result.
No, 100% because obviously we're gonna talk about the next stages. And
Yeah.
because you want everything to be more. And next year, God willing, with your guys' help, maybe get to 5,000.
Yeah. Why not? Why not?
So going into the next stages,
Iron Bagani.
what are the plans for you?
Unfortunately, because there's a lot of demands right now, they want V2 right away. The Bagani Adventure Rally V2.
Hype.
Yeah, unfortunately, I can't do that on the early month of 26. But I have a good news. The V2, the Bagani Adventure Rally main event will be celebrated every November.
November still.
But we have this upcoming this July for Paligusan, no? July. Not yet final for the exact date, but we will be having Bagani Adventure Quest.
Yes, yeah.
Right? So
Yeah.
it will be a duo category. So rider must find a partner, and one of the main thing they like on Bagani version 1 is the special mission.
Yes.
Yeah, so the Bagani route, they enjoy looking for a Calesa, a Tartanilla, and
yeah.
Iligan. So we did that to slow down all the riders.
Amazing, yeah.
Because if you're going to be fast, then
Yeah.
you're going to miss it, and you're not going to claim. You can claim your finisher kit.
Yeah.
And on the other category, the Lakan, Lakambini, Magani, their special mission is to look for a horse on this specific area.
Follow.
I didn't give them the exact location
Okay.
for them to slow down and to look for the horse.
That makes sense. It's another form of risk management.
Right?
Yeah.
So what happened? We're very happy to know that they all slowed down. I saw a lot of video. They've been enjoying it.
Yeah.
They've been forming a team just to look for the horse. Where's this horse?
They even took picture of the statue there, bro.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So what happened if they reach this specific area? Because I know I do the. I mean I reroute the. I mean I took the route before the event.
Yeah.
Right. So I know where the place is. Where is the horse?
Yeah.
So I put a horse there, just one horse, specifically on that place, but they didn't know the location. So what happened when they did when the event started, when the riders reached there, they don't know what horse. So what they did is they always take a photo every time
horse.
they cross a horse.
100% they're gonna slow down with that.
They will slow down.
Yeah.
And again, they'll making a team. Hey, you find here, you go there. I'll find here. So it was very fun. I think that's what they like about Bagani. The caballo, the tartanilla is just the warm up. You
Very
know.
nice. I look forward to this.
Yeah.
I mean, I know Jason's secrets right now, but I'm not gonna tell you.
No, don't tell them.
But I would have to say this is challenging, intellectually challenging, and a lot of teamwork's gonna have to happen.
A lot of
Especially
teamwork.
with you.
Yeah.
And then I think that's also built-in fun for everyone.
Fun for everyone.
Yeah.
So again, from the word itself, Bagani Adventure Quest, it's not about racing again and again. We're not promoting racing here.
Yeah.
So Bagani Adventure Quest, it's more on a mission, on a quest.
Yeah.
You don't need to be fast to finish this, to complete this task. So the duo, right? So it's for you need to find a partner. No, not a partner that you need to have a back ride on. A partner like a different rider, right?
Yeah.
So I guess most of the riders are thinking na sabay magdagan.
Yeah.
So no. So I'm going to tell you now what's going to happen, why it's called duo. Sabay mo mag-jump off, pero lahi mo gruta.
That's what's gonna be amazing about it.
Up, dira lang. Dira lang. So you need to find a partner you can trust. No, you'll have a different route. There will be two different route, different mission, different checkpoint, different photo ops. But you need to finish together. If you can finish, then you'll wait for
Yeah.
your partner. Again, it's not about speed,
You have
it's
to cross
about
the finish
adventure.
line together.
Yeah. Okay.
100%.
So now you know, but I'm not going to tell you the mission. No, I love surprises.
So let me just the motorcycle questions. What type of in this particular the last Bagani that just happened? What type of motorcycle showed up?
Of course, SMB.
Okay.
Yeah, SMB was the first to arrive. He was my guest rider. SMB Motovlog from Cebu.
What motorcycle did he drive?
Ducati Multistrada.
Okay, I see. Okay, yeah.
And I was very amazed also to Conce, one of the second to arrive on the grid, but he's the first to arrive in participants.
Wow. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
Conce. He used I think
Conce.
Teneri 700.
Wow.
Yeah,
okay.
and it's his first time, which really amazed us.
Well, on the
On the
3 minutes after.
first time to join this type of event.
Wow.
Yeah, so we're very amazed, but I think Conce is hilig siya og kanang mga dirt bike.
Oh, so he's really gonna.
Oh, he's into bike but on another
Yeah.
sports.
Yeah.
So it's his first time to join and yet he's the first to arrive sa participant.
Oh, he must have been moving.
Yeah, so we were actually surprised na we're like, kinsa man ni?
Is he from Mindanao? No.
Yeah, he's from Mindanao. I think he's from Lanao.
Okay.
Lanao, yeah.
Okay.
So we're from Lanao. So
He must
congrats,
be
Sir
local,
Conce.
yeah.
Yeah. I think he's a counselor there.
Wow,
That's why they call
okay.
him Conce.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
I thought his name was Ponce, like short for something.
Yeah, so I talked to him. How was your experience? He said it was really fun. Yeah, it's his first time to finish a 1,000 almost 300 kilometers loop.
Wow.
No, he was very happy. He was very si tawagan na kanang ang mga route daw is very challenging. Since dirt bike ang sport, so normally mga
Ambak-ambak
hills o
mo na.
bukid-bukid.
Yeah.
So it's his first time nga magdagan o kanang mga cruising o naay mga part nga lisod pero more on kuan magudgwapo nga dalan.
Yeah.
So I think for him first time niya
It's more
to.
landscape friendly, the looking at the everything.
Right.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
congratulations kay Sir SMB Motovlog tapos kay Consec.
Sa kanang 1,300 kapin nga kilometers, what's the quickest times na human? Is he the first one?
Actually few minutes lang ang ligas
Three.
nila ni
3
Tenerife.
minutes.
3 minutes.
Really?
Yes.
Pila ka oras?
I think
13?
13 hours.
Okay.
Oh, murag ana. I think
13 something.
both of them average nila is like 1 hour per 100 kilometers.
Wow.
So, we're like, they jump off at 2 a.m.
Pila ka cc tong multistrada?
1 to man yata ang multistrada, 1,200. I'm not just sure ha, pero but that's more
I
than
know it's more
1,000.
over 900. I know.
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Over 900.
And imagine the Tenerife, it's just 700,
700.
right?
Sabay-sabay lang.
And who was the last one ni abot?
Ang sa last one, wala yung
Five na.
naay last na abot, like the bike night is Sunday. They arrive on grade 5 a.m. sa Monday.
Really?
Yeah, it's because they're a group and naay nagka-problema sa ilang kauban which is very kuan kay
That's
paminaw.
commendable. Well, like you said, it's not a race. At least the team. was
Yeah,
there.
But I have 2 staff there nga nagpabilin para hulaton sila. And yeah, they finish. So,
That's nice. All different types. And I saw motorcycles. Was it like scooters or like maxi scooters? And, so everyone here, dili mahatok mo sulod og mga small bike, big bike. What's the smallest bike you ever nakakita mo?
I think the Wave 100.
Wave.
Really?
Yeah, and it's like a 20-year-old bike,
Katong
bro.
dream,
Bagani ba yun?
Oh, bagani. It's just around the 1,300.
that guy's an adventurer.
Yeah, I don't know who's the rider, but I remember na naghangyo to siya kay 4 a.m. na daw siya mag-jump off kay I think naay problema sa iyang kauban na motor.
100. What?
So imagine, 100cc
Wait.
na human.
Pero dili siya last.
Dili siya last.
He
Dili.
must have had fun. Must have had
Oh,
fun.
yeah, dili siya last.
This was fun. Big bikes came out. Sports bikes came in there, bud.
Sa 1 to walay sports bike na big cc, high cc I mean. Naa sa mid bike itong mga R3 na aman.
Oh, really? Okay. I think that's more suited. You're dealing ka ubok kayo, and then the twin cylinder is probably a bit better for.
Ano sila kan siya? Ano, di ba?
Yeah.
Sa lakad na itong short route, na 10R, na mga sports, na 25R, mga R,
Okay.
pero sa 1 to wala kayo.
No, but no 600cc.
Wala.
Really?
Sa 600cc
I'm
wala.
surprised. How about pagkatong mga Benellis? What is that? What do you guys have? TR?
TRK.
Yeah. Wala?
Walay TRK
TRK.
pero daghang adventure. Mga
Oh,
CF
really?
Moto,
Nice.
Yeah.
Very
Na
nice, very
BMW
nice.
kayo.
na BMW, na apod.
So you hear that, guys? Sponsors maybe? BMW? Yamaha?
Sila grupo nila Mayor Andy Siha. They're all BMW, I think. Tapos nag-complete po sila sabay. They're group of 10.
12.
Okay.
Ay, 12
Yeah.
po sila.
12 sila.
Ang isa
Oh.
wala ka na.
Do you want to give a shout out to the whole Bagani team? That how many people actually go on assisted you in putting everything together?
Most of the members man gyud kay LLB, La Libertas
Yeah.
Bikers, the host of the event. So I would like to thank everyone, of course. My family, no, my wife, si Rafael as head marshals, akong team, si Jeric, si CJ, tanang LLB members na even though they're not part of the officers or officials, but they go sa grid para mutabang, which is unexpected. Na-appreciate yun ako ang ilang tabang. And to the LGU of Digos, no, si Ma'am Perla, head sa tourism, naghatag pa siyang tao para mutabang sa amua. So, thank you so much. Hands-on.
Very hands-on.
To all EMT, LGU department sa Digos, ang PNP, ang medic, tanan. Naanggil sila, grabe ka-supportive. No?
Amazing.
And of course, sa mga tao na bisag dili participant, nag-adto gyud sila sa Great to Show support.
You have local people show up or mulantaw ra?
Yeah, we open it.
I can imagine.
There's,
Tourist spot kasi yung Dawis.
we open it, no? Wala na mo sila gibawal mo adto. We nata dito para mag-enjoy, no?
So for those of you who are wondering, you guys better be, I'm putting you on alert, you better be magdali o kanang contact me up for the next one, guy. He's gonna have a lot more vendors, a lot more sponsors.
We're hoping, no, kay si Bagani on the first year na mo o sa first event, again, wala gyud mi big time na monetary na ay ginagmay 2K, 3K, 5K. Pero wala gyud big time na kay ngano ang makatabang manggod siya para ma-improve na mo ang kits nila participants,
100%.
nila riders, ma-improve na mo ang venue. Imagine kato na yung nakita, wala kami.
First time. First
Diba?
time pa dyan to.
What was in the kits so everyone knows what were in those kits?
Those kits, naman tanan, vest, t-shirt, finisher sleeve, stickers, certificate, medal. No, I know most of you guys are not really satisfied sa medal. But again, it's because nga wala pod na mo na estimate gyud dayon nga inato kadaghan ng participant. Again, on the next season sa Bagani Adventure Quest, you'll get a metal medal. Kaya mo may gusto gyud nila. Yatag na ko na. No, I'll give it to you.
What do you think are on the organization side? What do you after nahitabo na? Unsay imong improve next one pohon?
Well, there's a lot of things na we learn no sa mo ang team para i-improve na mo sa next season. First of all is of course ang kits, no.
Kits, okay.
The releasing, the time kay naamang gud mi
Sa kits lang dyan.
honestly sa among part sa kits gyud mi na ipit.
Okay.
No. It's because of the late registered pati sa system nagka-trouble pud mi ato nga time manggod na yung mga nag-reflect sa among list nga nasa among list pero nasa system pero wala sa among list.
Got it.
Pero all of the participant na natagaan ako sila mga best during the event so wala ra toy problema. Nalay ibang participant pod wala kadagan.
Okay.
But we will have our redemption ride by January.
It seems as if everything is at least you guys are holding the organization accountable for the next go. So I think next year it's going to be more amazing. And after this, maybe I'm going to be
Hopefully with you,
potentially-
bro, next year.
I'm hoping. I'm hoping everything is great. So
So again, the Banagani Adventure Rally version 2 will be on November next year, but on July we'll have the Bagani Adventure Quest.
that's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
So I have some plans to do something with Jason and the team.
Yeah.
And then for those of you watching this, all my friends in Cebu, Manila, maybe it's time to show out. No. And, you know,
Yeah.
do
So
something.
it's gonna be exciting sa
Yeah.
July, no? So hopefully si Sir Hill
We'll bring some stuff out.
and his team magdala siyang mga we'll have a car show or big bike show event
Yeah.
no sa grid, no. But again, we still have a lot of time so possibly mag-go na siya.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to use my resources to potentially get the exotics out there, the big bikes out there from different parts of the Philippines.
Yeah, we'll have motorcycle show there.
Yeah,
Right?
I love it because I love motorcycles. Obviously, I love motorcycles. I want kids to know the kuan, and as well as I love sound systems. So maybe we'll have some SPL, SQL battles for all you sound heads there.
Oh, di ba?
And I wanted to, maybe this is just maybe you can give me some feedback. Pero have you ever seen those Moto Jitsu events? Itong gagmay nga space nga narating mga cones, and you have to see how agile the bike is.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah.
Maybe if there's space there, we can do something there.
Yeah, we'll go. We'll find way, of course.
Segue to another question about motorcycles. Have you guys visited that new proposed race course?
Not yet,
There is,
but
what's
yeah.
that, Mental?
Santa Cruz?
Is it Santa
Santa
Cruz?
Cruz.
Yeah, the racetrack.
Jerry?
How beneficial do you think it's going to be for Davao or this area?
Well, a lot is waiting for it to open. Actually, the one of the owner talked to me already.
Nice.
Because he's a previous member of the La Libertas Bikers. He's part of the owner. So he wants to invite everyone. No, every
I'm going to
club.
go there.
Yeah, we'll go there.
I'm definitely 100% going to.
Yeah.
I might just buy a track bike just to go over it.
Exactly. So there you go to the racetrack, to the track, but everything's legal there. You go there. You go to the top
Kompleto
finisher.
to.
there.
Ano to, off-road.
Yeah, they're off-road.
No, I think it's side by side and then
Yeah, yeah.
off road and then there's.
Yeah, so we
more
already
stuff.
talked. Yeah.
I'm gonna go anyway because
Yeah, you go there. Everything's
Yeah.
legal there.
I'm gonna go. So with that said, thank you for both coming. I really appreciate you. Any farewell words before we end everything?
Well, I would like to thank, of course, Sir Gilsar Vergara. You may follow or subscribe his YouTube channel. He's the only guy who trusted Bagani Adventure Rally, even though wala pa kaming
Yeah, from the
na-finish na
beginning.
event. It's our first time. it's his risk na nag-trust sa amin. What if giscam namin yun? Kundi damay siya. Pero again,
It's fun.
I would like
I love these guys.
right, so I would like to thank Sir Gilsar Vergara, for trusting Bagani Adventure Rally, which is right now, you see the result. So we'll see you guys on Bagani Adventure Quest. Just stay tuned sa page. We'll be posting the registration, and I have a good news because all of the first 100 riders to register will get a helmet bag.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, I will give you a
Great.
helmet bag.
Great. Calling all of the big boys, the Kawasaki's, the Suzuki's, the everything. You guys have to get on this because one, it gives you, for business wise, gives you brand exposure, marketing,
Exactly.
huge
Yeah, yeah.
event. Understand that these guys with very little resources put up 1,000 heads in there.
Exactly.
That's 2,000 eyes plus other people watching those
Yeah.
things. So all you helmet companies, you gotta give Bagani Adventure Rally and everything that they do organized wise a chance because it's just great for business. You know,
Exactly.
great for business. And I applaud these guys for actually stepping up and understanding that the logistics of organizing 1,300 kilometers. How many towns was this?
Towns?
How many times did you have to like really?
No, there's a lot. It's
You have to configure all those LGUs.
exactly,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
That's one good thing of Bagani. All of the LGUs along the route, we go there, we
Supportive.
coordinated with them. Well,
Yeah.
they're very supportive.
So you have to understand, even what he just said, that is a big, massive push for just not for their benefit. It's actually for motorcycle awareness, and moreover, they're helping with the cause for the tribes here.
Exactly.
So that's something that we all have to respect because it's a culture that we're slowly losing if we don't get in touch with
Yes,
it. If we
exactly.
don't control it. But thank you guys. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.